In a lab buzzing with excitement, a scientist was about to demonstrate a fascinating experiment involving colorful powders. As he sprinkled the ingredients, his allergies suddenly kicked in and he felt a sneeze coming on. Just as he was about to unleash a mighty sneeze, a gust of wind blew through an open window, sending the powders flying everywhere. The vibrant colors filled the room, painting the walls as the scientist erupted into fits of laughter, realizing he had created a rainbow explosion. The entire lab crew couldn't contain themselves, rolling on the floor as they cooled down with water-filled balloons, all in the name of science.